Welcome back to Great Day at Washington. This segment is sponsored by John C. Flood. You know, not every company is dedicated to giving back to their community, but we've partnered with one that gives back in a really big way.
Yeah, each year the folks at John C. Flood give away a free HVAC unit, not once, but twice a year, and they are currently giving away a free unit to a breast cancer warrior.
So here to tell us about their Wrap Your Home in Love campaign are Chris Thompson and Clint Boyd from John C. Flood. Gentlemen, good to have you.
Thank you.
Always a pleasure.
Good day. You got an audience today, but you've done so much for this community.
Why would you remind me of that?
Yeah. Not to make you nervous.
They're right in front of you.
How does John C. Flood give back to the communities that you serve?
We always want to give back whenever, wherever you can, and obviously with Cancer Society, or Cancer that we're doing now with the wonderful event we just had upstairs, that was fantastic.
Yes, yeah.
We work with Veterans for Suicide, Easter Seals, anywhere we can help the communities that we serve, we jump on it.
Yeah. Clint, why is that so important to you all, to make sure you're giving back?
Well, I mean, within our organization, we certainly have a litany of individuals that have all dealt with cancer in one shape or form. For me, it's very personal. We lost my father-in-law a couple years back, and he died in our home on hospice at 69.
Oh, wow.
So that's, you know,
Sorry.
being a part of this organization is much more than just working for an HVAC company that does electrical and plumbing. It's part of a family, and a family that really cares about community.
Yeah.
What I love so much is these free units that you give to deserving folks. We've done the military one with you, and we've also done the Still Standing. We have last year's winner in our audience here, Vanessa Vetter. There she is up on the TV screen from last year. What did she say to you today when you saw her?
Well, she said she's thankful to have heat.
Things we take for granted sometimes,
Right, very much
but
so, yes.
realize that, like, so you're able to give back in a way, and you're doing it again now. What can you tell us?
We are going to give, well, these beautiful women here, this is fantastic. Giving away another system, not the pink one, I'm afraid, but you can go johncflood.com/love. You can nominate a warrior to win this system, and it closes tomorrow at midnight.
Okay.
So if you haven't nominated someone or yourself, go ahead and nominate.
Get your votes in.
In the next couple of weeks, we will vet through them and we'll announce a winner.
You can nominate yourself.
Yeah.
Vanessa won
can.
last year by being at the Still Standing event last year.
Oh.
She entered and won.
Good.
That is
So,
true. I forgot
just
about
saying
that.
the luck is there. Not saying it's rigged. I'm just saying the luck is there.
But it's not the pink unit.
No, it's not the pink unit. We hear that all the time. All the time.
Probably be against most HOAs.
I was say HOAs might not be happy with that.
No, they won't.
But it
Right
is
outside your
free
home.
and it works.
And it works.
And it's
Yeah.
brand new.
It is. It was both of those, and the installation, of course, is included, obviously.
Installation
Okay.
as well.
Are there any guidelines? So you just have to be a fighter or survivor?
Yep.
That's it.
And obviously, you have to live within our service area, but
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
You and I have been on many of these stories, giving
We
these
have.
units. What has this whole journey taught you? What have you learned from this? What has it been like?
Well, much like Clint, my mother died from cancer as well. So anytime you get into a situation like this, it's very emotional.
Yeah.
And when you can help somebody that's in need and that's had some troubles, and obviously this is a very emotional and can oftentimes be very financial. So anywhere you can help ease the burden, we'll jump all over it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're
it's-
amazing.
Right.
This helps out so much. You need
Right.
this in
Right.
your home.
Yeah.
Oh, heating and cooling is quite nice.
It's huge. Yeah. It is.
It's quite nice to have, gentlemen. Thank you.
for
We're
what
so
you're
happy
doing.
you're here.
Yeah, thank you.
Remember, anyone who is a breast cancer warrior can head to johncflood.com/love to enter their Wrap Your Home in Love contest, and you could win a free Bryant HVAC unit.